Alright fam, so we got it done. Let's see what it sounds like. Alright, welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome to the channel. Just getting off work, so I'm headed out to the muffler shop to see if I can get some of these performance mods put on. My JLT cold air intake has arrived today. I'm super excited about that. But the video today is about the 5-inch tips that I'm going to put on. Give you guys a look-see at those before we get them put on and let you see what they look like on the vehicle. I'm going to turn this camera back on when we get to the shop. Let's go. Alright fam, we made it down to the shop. Grab this stuff off the truck. Alright fam, this is 5-inch tips that got delivered on Sunday. Yes sir, yes sir. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. Alright, let me go inside, let them know I'm here. We're here at my favorite place, as you can see, Mr. Muffler Auto Care. Yep. Alright fam, so we got it done. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh my goodness. Ooh, boy, oh boy. Bruh, that thing sounded some kind of good, man. I don't know. Sound different to me. What do you guys think? You guys heard a couple clips as I was driving down. Comment below. Alright, so I don't know, man. It sound a bit different to me, man. Let's see. Alright, let's take a listen. Bruh, I'm trying to tell you, man. Makes a big difference in the sound, man. Big difference in the sound. I think I'm liking these 5-inch tips. Just get one more quick pull, let you hear it again. Alright man, I don't want to make this video too long. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. To the next video. Peace and blessings. I'm out.